Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my last videos. I took 2 days off. Thank you so much for letting me do that. I just needed it. It was important. I don't want to burn out. And I'm maybe thinking of starting doing that on the weekends. So I do at least 5 days a week of content and then taking the weekends off. Let me know what you think also on your side. Like, you guys are all doing your own thing too on the weekends, and I should be kind of taking a break as well so that I can come back strong on Monday. So I hung out with a few friends that I haven't seen in a long time, hung out with my pops, and then, just did some work at a coffee shop and worked on the brand. So it's not going to be Beach Cowboy. I did a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following me, Nicklin Kogel on Instagram. If you want to follow me there, that's my personal. That's where, I post stuff like that. So it ended up being, because I was between Beach Cowboy and Coastal Cowboy, and almost everybody was like Coastal Cowboy. So I'm changing it to Coastal Cowboy. I'm excited. This is gonna be. It's just like a fun project. I'm going to launch an Instagram or Shopify here shortly. I'll let you guys know when it's up. So if you want to purchase one and support, I'm gonna be posting those. So that's happening. But today we're gonna be working on customer orders and possible FBA shipment, but that may happen tomorrow just because I have a lot of orders to get out. So that's kind of like my main thing. And then getting this hat out, getting a Coastal Cowboy hat done and finished, a legit one that's not ruined. I got my hat press in, so I'll show you that right now. So sorry for the dirty desk here or table, but here's the hat press. It's got a bend, not like my iron that's flat. So this shouldn't wrinkle the vinyl. But it also came with this little handy hat holder, so I can press down on that. But I'll show you when I do it, show you how to do it. But yeah, that's that. I also partly made a bad decision here as well. I bought a wireless tattoo gun. This is so bad. That's so dangerous. I'm not sure if I can post that on YouTube as well when I do it, so I'll have to look up the terms of service before I post myself tattooing myself. Yeah, let's go get to work. All right, guys, so we are going to be remaking the Beach Cowboy, the Coastal Cowboy, and now that I got my heat press, we're gonna be doing it again. And also we're gonna be doing some de-weeding on this to see if it is the right size. It's a little bigger than this, so I'm hoping it looks a little better. And then, yeah, we'll go do that, and I think we'll be done. I'm honestly so nervous because I don't even know what I'm doing still. And so I'm gonna do 15 seconds at 284 degrees and see if that can peel off. My concern also is that the curve is still so strong. I just don't know if it's gonna be able to bend properly. So I hope it works out. All right, well, here goes nothing. It's at 284 degrees. The next one is 320. I think that's too hot, but I'm going to do 15 seconds or a little longer than 15 seconds. So hopefully this will do. I'm freaking nervous. Might need a second to kind of adjust myself here, but I think it's pretty quick and I just gotta be calm. All right, here we go. All right, let's see. Not sure if I gave it enough time. Seems good. Seems all right. All right, that's better. That is better. All right. Well, that looks pretty cool. I like that a lot. I think that looks pretty cool. All right, guys, so I'm putting on the first real production hat for Coastal Cowboys. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that looks good. Compared to this one that was just a little tinier, I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty amped on this one. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I am done for today, or at least recording. I'm gonna make a few more hats I'm going to give out so I can expand. But if you guys are interested in a hat, I will put a link in the description for my beacons link in bio. And I already have a link there. I just created the website at Better Buzzed. It's not perfect, but if you see any glitches or bugs, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for support and following me and my journey of being an entrepreneur. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so on Shopify yesterday, we made $39.46. We made $48.22 on eBay yesterday. We made $243 on eBay, on Amazon yesterday, sorry. A total of $331. We're definitely not where we want to be, but that's fine. And I have to realize that one of these days could change my life forever too, right? So maybe, you know, today I was at 331 and then tomorrow I'm at $8,000, you know, $8,000 more, and then now I'm at $16,000, and you know what I mean? So I got to keep that positive mindset and know that like any day can change for the better. Also, it could be for the worse. So I got to be ready for that. And my head's I'm trying to be very stoic about all this. So I appreciate everyone watching. If you're not subscribed and you're interested in watching me hit $30,000 a month, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit 30K a month. And then also, if you guys like this video, please like it for the YouTube algorithm so it helps other people find the videos like yourselves and me to find these videos. So thank you so much. I will talk to you guys later. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.